Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I am going to show you a simple strategy, a simple Binance trading arbitrage. You don't need card, you don't need your MasterCard or whatever to trade this. And mind you, this strategy only works for Nigerians only. If you are other country, I'm sorry, this strategy might not work for you, but though you can try it in your own currency. But as of this video, this strategy only works in the Nigerian currency, although you can try with other currency as well. And then what we'll be using this video is we'll be trading the Naira and the USDT. This is a simple Binance arbitrage. Okay, so now for we to get started, I will click on this NGN. Now I'll be purchasing the Naira with my Naira account, so it's loading. So let's say I want to purchase 50,000 worth of NGN now. All right, 50,000 worth of NGN. So after purchasing this 50,000 worth of NGN now, you will receive this 49.5 worth of NGN. It's more like a currency. So after you must have received this amount in your Binance NGN wallet, this is what you do. You head to trade on the Binance app. You head to trade. Sorry about this. You head to trade on the Binance app. So we will be looking for the NGN USDT. So this is the NGN USDT. Now how you be able to make money from this NGN USDT? What you'll be doing is buying and selling. The price difference between USDT and NGN, it changes, like it varies with just a few points. Let's say at this 611.3 now, and let's say people are currently buying at 611.3, then others are selling at 613. So it is really easy. So let's say you have some 100 USDT now in your wallet. You have some 100 USDT now in your wallet. You can purchase it now at 6113. Then you set a sell limit at 613. Then you can just be trading it repeatedly like that, and you're making profit. This strategy is really good. This is the simplest strategy that I have come across. Like it's really easy. It's really easy. You don't even need to be checking on chart. Like the price just changes. Like it goes from 611.3 to 6113 and 6114, 6112, like that. You can just, like, after you purchase, you set a buy order and sell order, something like that. This is how to set it here. The limit. Now let's say you right now you want to buy at 6113. You can just set it this way. Put the amount of USDT you want to buy. After you buy it now, so let's say you want to sell it now, then you sell it at 613. Then you make profit. Like it's really easy. With 50,000 now, like let's say you trade with 50,000 now, you can be making 200, 300. If you can trade up to 100 with like 20 to 30 times a day, definitely you make money. And calculated in a month, that is a whole lot of money. So let's take example. Now you're making 1,000 per trade. Now you're making 1,000 naira per trade, and you can trade up to 20 times 1,000 per trade times. You can trade up to 20 times a day. Like trading on the app is like trading. This strategy is really, like, it doesn't have limit. You can be trading it continuously to any amount of trade you want to take. It will accumulate it. Just depends on the market, the liquidity of the market. So now 1,000 times 20 in a day give you 20,000. So 20,000 times 30 days. Now see, you're having 600,000. So you can do this with just you can do this with any amount of money you have. You can just start with it, but I would recommend you start with at least 50,000. 50,000 can go a long way. I hope you love this video. Thanks for watching, and please kindly click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family. Thank you really well. Thank you.